Welcome to InfoCube Academy. Today we'll be looking at a series called Algebra. It will consist of episodes that will explain all the things you need to know about algebra. In this episode 1, we'll start by looking at the algebraic term. Now, algebraic term is a combination of a number and a letter. So if we have 2x, we say that this is an algebraic term because it has a number and a letter. Now let's analyze what we have here. This 2 is called the coefficient of the letter x, whereas this x is called the variable. Now, why is it called a variable in algebra? It's called a variable because the value of this x varies from one question to another. That's exactly why it is called a variable. Now, this algebraic term 2x has a sign in front of it. So it means that every algebraic term must have a sign in front of it. So when the sign is not written, you put a plus there. So you can have something like minus 2y. It's an algebraic term with a sign. You can have plus 8a. It's an algebraic term. It has a sign in front of it. Another thing you need to know about algebraic terms is that it moves with the signs. So let's say, for instance, I have a question like this. Now look at it very well. I can move any of these algebraic terms anywhere I want with the signs. Now what do I mean by that? This 2x is something that's saying plus 2x. I can decide to write minus 3x first. Now if you look at it, I just moved 3x, but now I cannot move this 3x without moving with the sign. So that's why I now have minus 3x. I can now decide to write 2x. I now have plus 2y and plus 4y. If you look very well, you see that this 2x here that we have in front of here now has plus in it. Remember I told you that when you are writing an algebraic term, if the sign is not written, automatically it carries a plus in it. So these are the things you need to know about algebraic term. Now let's quickly look at algebraic expressions. Now algebraic expression is just combination of algebraic terms. If I have plus 2x and I have minus 3y, if I combine the two of them, I've gotten an algebraic expression. So plus 2x minus 3y is called an algebraic expression. Also, minus 3x squared and minus 4x can be combined to have minus 3x squared minus 4x. This is also an algebraic expression. The next thing we're going to look at is how to add and subtract these algebraic expressions. But before we look at that, we need to learn these simple algebraic tips, which I called addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now what I mean by that is how you operate with signs. When you have plus minus, when you have plus plus, when you have minus minus, when you have plus minus. Most students do have problem with this, but after today you will no longer have problem with it again. Now what do I mean by that? Now let's look at this. It's summed up in this way. When you have the same sign, add the numbers. Now when you have different signs, subtract the numbers. By the time you have finished doing this operation, now the answer will carry the sign of the bigger number. Let's quickly explain this. before our time runs out in this episode 1. Now I have plus 3 minus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. The first thing I will ask myself is, do they have the same sign? No. Then remember what we said here. When you have different signs, subtract the numbers. I will just quickly subtract the numbers. 4 minus 3 is what? Is 1. Now I will ask myself, what sign does bigger number have? And from what I'm seeing here, 4 is the bigger number. It has sign of minus. I'll put the minus there. This becomes my answer. It's very simple like that. Now another example is I have minus 5 plus 8. Now minus 5 plus 8, I will do the same thing. There are different signs, so I will subtract. I'll have 3. Now what sign does the bigger number have? It has plus as a sign. I'll put the plus there. And what if I have minus 2 minus 4? Because they are the same sign, I will do what? I will add. Remember what it says, when you have the same signs, add the numbers. So I will add. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. Now the bigger number there is 4. What sign does it have? Minus. I will put the minus here. And what if you have plus 2 plus 3? This one is very easy. They are the same sign, so you add. The bigger number has plus, you put the plus here. So with this, I've been able to equip you on the basic things you need to know in algebra before we enter into the simple simplification aspect of it. So see you in the next episode as we go more into algebra. Thank you.